Stenciling temporary snowflakes is quick and easy with Santa Snow Frost Spray. First, use Stencil's repositionable spray adhesive on the back of the snowflake stencils. After 30 to 60 seconds, the spray will reach a tacky consistency. Then, press your snowflake stencils in place. Now shake your can of Santa Snow Spray and you're ready to go. Apply the temporary snow spray through the design directly onto the glass. Coat the design without the spray pooling up. Spray each stencil, then come back to touch up any bare spots. Then, peel off the stencil without touching the snowflake. Now you are ready to stencil more snowflakes. Use a box with a pushed-out bottom to keep spray within the stencil. The spray will stay within the bounds of the spray box. Repeat the process for each snowflake until your surface is covered. The Santa Snow Spray works on windows, mirrors, and any glass surfaces. The spray wipes away easily with a dry rag after stenciling. These snowflakes will last all season and clean up easily.
For more tips and ideas, visit designerstencils.com.